The auxiliary contacts are used to remotely signal the open or closed state of the circuit breaker power contacts. 4 or 6 AX auxiliary contacts are supplied as standard with the circuit breaker. Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. The auxiliary switches AX are installed over the spring charging motor location. Insert a new AX in the needed slot by sliding it in. At the click, the auxiliary is installed. Put the connector at the correct terminal on the sliding interface. Remove the terminal block label holder using the quarter turn screws. Insert a terminal block type A in the base located on the top of the breaker. Put back the connector interface with quarter turn screws. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle and place the cover and screw in the 4 screws.